Does your body feel stiff or sluggish in the morning? Whether it's a tight spine, tired shoulders, or just an overall need to reset, this 5-minute routine is designed to loosen up and activate your core, leaving you refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Let's start this day by unlocking your flexibility and waking up your core. You're here, showing up for yourself, and that's already a win. No equipment is needed, just a mat, your energy, and the will to stretch. You can do this in your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors to soak in some fresh air. Today's routine will take you through spine activation, full body stretches, and core building movements like cat-cow, downward dog, lower lunge twists, and more. By the end, you'll feel open, flexible, and energized. Let's not waste another second. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by gently waking up the spine. Think of the stretch as a perfect way to say good morning to your back and core. Begin on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply, arching your back and lifting your head and tailbone toward the sky, cow pose. Exhale fully, rounding your spine and tucking your chin and pelvis, cat pose. Flow smoothly between these two positions for 1 minute, matching your breath to your movement. This stretch warms up your spine, improves mobility, and gently engages your core. It's like a reset button for your back. Beginners, keep the movement small and focus on your breath. Advanced, move more fluidly, exaggerating the stretch for a deeper spinal activation. Great start. Now let's stretch out those legs, shoulders, and back with downward dog. Time to stretch and lengthen. Downward dog is a powerful move that energizes your entire body. From all fours, tuck your toes and lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Spread your fingers wide and press evenly into your palms. Keep your head between your arms. Gaze toward your legs and aim to press your heels toward the floor. Hold this position for 1 minute. If you feel tight, gently pedal your feet, alternating which heel touches the ground. This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back while engaging your core. I promise by the end, you'll feel taller and lighter. Beginners, bend your knees slightly to ease the stretch on your hamstrings. Advanced stretches, deepen the stretch by straightening your legs fully and pressing your heels firmly into the mat. Your body is feeling longer and stronger already. Let's target the hips and spine while building stability and flow in your lower body. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge position with your left knee resting on the mat. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides, stepping your left foot forward and twisting to the left, reaching your left arm upward. This twist opens up your hip flexors, stretches your spine, and creates space in your chest. It's perfect for improving posture and mobility. Beginners can keep the twist gentle and focus on the breath. Advanced stretches can deepen the stretch by sinking lower into the mat. Your hips and spine are feeling more open. Now let's engage your core with the bird dog stretch. Now let's activate your core and improve balance with a dynamic movement. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, keeping your core tight and spine neutral. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides, extending your left arm and right leg. This stretch strengthens your core, improves stability, and engages your lower back and glutes for a full body activation. Beginners, keep your toes or fingers lightly touching the mat for extra support. Advanced, add a slight pulse at the top for an extra challenge. Great work engaging that core. Let's finish strong with the cobra stretch to open up the chest and lengthen the spine. Let's end with a stretch that feels like a breath of fresh air for your chest and spine. Lie flat on your stomach, placing your hands under your shoulders. Inhale as you press into your hands, lifting your chest and arching your back into cobra pose. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply, letting your spine lengthen with each exhale. This stretch relieves tension in your lower back, opens your chest, and leaves you feeling refreshed and renewed. Beginners can keep their elbows bent and lift only slightly. Advanced stretches straighten your arms fully for a deeper back bend, keeping your shoulders down. Fam, you did it. What a fantastic job. You've stretched, strengthened, and energized your entire body. That's how you start your day on the right foot. You've already won just by pressing play and showing up. Don't forget, there's a special gift waiting for you in the description. It's designed for people that work at a desk all day. Let's take your flexibility and strength to the next level. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.